Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Happy Monday. On today's video, I'm going to be talking about what happened on the past few hours on the Bitcoin chart, what happened with the liquidations, how are the bots doing, and what I expect the market to do on the next few days. So stick around. Now, as you can see, today we had the biggest liquidations candle on the entire bull market. So since November of 2022, we actually liquidated almost 7 billion, so $1.7 billion on liquidations, 1.6 on the long side. And actually 106 was in 1 hour. Well, in 10 minutes, actually. So we can go here, go into the 5-minute candle. And we can see in these 10 minutes, we liquidated $1.06 billion of long positions. And yeah, that was tough to watch. I was awake when it was happening, and it was fun to see, to be honest. That is why it's important that every time you open your bots to keep in mind your liquidation price and keep it at bay. Yeah, keep it as far as you can from the current price, because these things happen. Okay. Now, what do I expect to do? What happened and why are we here? Well, a few days ago, I told you about the golden pocket ratio on this Fibonacci retracement. Now, some of you ask me to show you how I do this. So the Fibonacci retracement tool that you're going to find here on the left, go from the top to the bottom. And what you're going to get is not this, actually. You're going to get this. And what I do is I go into the tools and I just untick, and I only ticked the golden ratio, which is this one that you can see are the 0.618 and the 0.65. And if we move this to the right, you can see that almost to the dollar, the price found resistance and went down. But the good thing is that our bots on the channel, they are all working on this range. So the moment the price goes back again, we're going to be trading and we're going to be making money on the grids. Now, bots that are doing fine. Bitcoin is doing fine. Solana is doing actually great. Solana is doing a 33%, even though Solana, you can also see that it got a big 6.7 rejection. But yeah, that was doing fine. XRP is not doing that great. And also Ethereum and Sui are also on losses. Now, I have to say, I added money on the positions. I added money. This was $600 and this was $600. And when I saw the correction, I added $200 more on each one. So a 33% increase on my investment. And I added 50 XRP. I had only 400, so more than actually a 12% increase on the investment on XRP, because this is what I expect to happen. Now, if I do the same thing as I showed you before, golden ratio Fibonacci, yeah, from here, and I'm going to hide it because I already have it. This is the golden ratio would I expect the price to go lower, and it coincides with the anchor VWAP lower band from here, from the bottom. So right now, 111,000, I think, is a good support in case Bitcoin goes down here and also reaches this trend line that we have for the past. This is from May. So basically since the spring until today. If Bitcoin reaches this area, I will be adding to the bot, to the Bitcoin bot, definitely. For now, I'm just going to leave it like it is. And what I expect is on the next few days, either we're going to be ranging, holding this trend line, or we're going to do a V-shape recovery. If we do a V-shape recovery, we're taking it very easily. So it will be something like this. And then up we go. And if we are ranging, then it can take a few weeks, probably recovery at the beginning of October, the first week of October, but we'll see. So for now, Good thing is all my bots are working on this range on all of the coins that I have, Ethereum, Solana, Sui, and XRP. My bots are working on all of them, and this range, the fact that it's going up and down, its trading is making my grids higher. So the moment the price recovers, this will be very, very green. Now, another thing that I want to show you on Bitcoin is this. If we do the volume and we go down to the 4 hour, I want to show you something. If you take a look in the 4 hour at the spikes in volume, there's in the red, and we can take these two actually. Look what the price did after. So it went down and it went up. Here, went down, recovery, spike, recovery, down, recovery, and down. Yeah, on this one, it went down. So there are chances that we're going to at least recover a little bit up to 115,000, and then we'll see. But I don't expect the price to go below 110. If it does, then it's going to make the recovery to take longer. And we're talking mid-October, end of October. I don't think that's going to happen. I really think, and again, this is my opinion, that from here we're going to bounce. We're going to go up. The 1 billion liquidations, that is good for the market to clean all the market, get people into panic mode. That's what the big whales do. That's what the market makers like to do. Wrecked everyone, and once everybody is wrecked, then the price moves in the other direction. So I expect the price after 1.7 billion liquidations to turn around and go higher. So yeah, again, keep in mind when you open your bots to have your liquidation price far away, stay in the range, and in case the bond gets out of your range, the price gets out of your lower range, you can either open a new bot or rearrange your lower by going here and editing the price range. Something that I don't recommend when it's on the low side. When it's on the upper side, yes, you can do it. When it's on the low side, I let the bot stop and I open a new one, or I wait until the price goes back up. But yeah, these things happen. Happy Monday. Apparently there are news expected tomorrow about a possible United States Bitcoin reserve. We'll see if that is true or not. But until then, trade carefully. Be mindful of the liquidation price on your bots, and just know that every time the price goes down, the moment it goes up, you are going to be making money in here. And that's why I use the bots. So I don't have to worry about prices going against me. Again, the bull market is not finished. We still have to see higher prices in October and November. So this is a hiccup, but yeah, it's a good chance to make the trade grow. Again, the bots are going to be trading and they're going to be making money on the grid. So yeah, happy days to come. Stay on the green, and I'll see you in the next video.